Good morning, Pradyuman. Good morning, Purti.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, we are meeting here after a long time. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, and today we are going to cover 10 most important advanced vocabulary words. Okay, which are commonly used by eminent English speakers in their conversation. All right.
Oh, yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
let's
Yes,
sir.
start.
sir.
So my first advanced word is throttle. Throttle means to choke. किसी का गला घुटना.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Now, guys,
Yes.
use this word in your sentence. Tell me one sentence each.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So may I speak first?
Yeah, first. No problem. You can speak.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. In morning time, when I was reading a newspaper, so I read a news that a man has been throttled to death by his friend for a little bit issue.
Little bit issue or trivial issue, we can say.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Purti. Can you give a try?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
yesterday I saw a nightmare and I saw that in my nightmare that I was throttled by my enemies, and
The enemy.
it was a horrible nightmare for me.
Okay. So you
Yes,
can't say that I saw a nightmare. Okay. You can simply say last night I had a nightmare. Okay.
yes,
Last night I had a nightmare.
yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, let's move towards next advanced word. That is flamboyant. Flamboyant. Okay. Flamboyant means attractive, manmohak, akarshak,
Yes, sir.
like this. Okay. Yeah, Pradyuman. Now give a try.
Yes, sir.
Use this word in your
Yes,
sentence.
sir. Yes, sir. So yesterday when I was operating my mobile, suddenly I thought that I should watch Angel Waterfall. So when I saw Angel Waterfall, which is situated in Venezuela in South America, sir,
Mhm.
it's flamboyant for me, sir.
Okay. It was a flamboyant for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Purti.
Yes, sir. Sir, in India, there are many places that are flamboyant, and many tourist people
Which
go
are
there.
flamboyant?
Yes, sir.
Which
Which are
which?
flamboyant. Yes, sir. And many people go there.
Many people visit
Yes,
there. Don't go there. Many people
yes, sir.
visit
Many
there.
people visit there. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. Let's go towards next sentence. Next word. That is compelling. Compelling means damdar, jandar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I saw Jevim film, which is compelling. This was compelling because in that picture, a director of Jevim picture tried to show the plight of poor people, and sir, the Jevim picture is a compelling, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Purti,
Yes, sir.
come on, it's your
Sir, in
turn.
my office, my boss is searching those people who are. Sir, what was the word?
Compelling.
Yes, sir. Who are compiling ideas that they can lead their company to ahead before the multinational company.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or you can say in competition with multinational companies.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, my next word is rampage. Rampage means कोई चीज किसी पर हिंसा करते हुए निकलना. Okay, for example, what happens? Uh, a silent march is there, and automatically it takes violent form. It changes.
Yes,
Houses are
sir.
broken. Like we can say it is related with the right or
Yes,
extreme
sir.
level of violation.
Yes.
Rampage.
Yes, several people rampaged through the city because they were protesting against the government.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, they are farmers. they were farmers. They were protesting against three laws, three farm laws.
Yeah, Purti.
Yes, sir. Sir, in our history, Indian history, Gandhiji did not like rampage people because they always consider that truth and non-violence is good for run away the British rule.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So he always hated the people, okay, who
Yes,
are
sir.
aggressive, who don't follow the way of, we can say, who don't follow the way of peaceful way,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay. My
Yes,
next
sir.
word is persist. Persist is also advanced word. किसी काम पर डटे रहना.
Yes, sir. I always persist in on my truth, whether whether people support me or not.
Okay. Yeah, Purti. Come on.
Yes, sir. Sir, if I want to become a knowledgeable person, so I will have to persist on my study. And
Very good. Very good.
yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, my next word is affront. Affront means to disrespect someone. किसी की बेइज्जती करना.
Yes, sir. Sir, among a large number of people, my friend affronted me at that time because I didn't endorse for him. So that's why he affronted me.
Okay. And how are you feeling then?
Well, so service feeling, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Purti. Come on. It's your
Yes,
turn.
sir. Sir, many inmates in custody was affronted in custody by the police.
Were.
Were yes, sir.
Okay. My next word is perceive. Perceive means समझना, सोचना, जानना, like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Pradyuman. Now use this word.
Yes, sir. Sir, we should try to perceive the plight of poor people because in COVID-19 they didn't get a one-time food. So
Very
government
good.
should
They
focus
did
on.
not even get in the Corona
Yes,
time.
sir.
They did not even get one-time food.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Yeah, Purti. Come on.
Yes, sir. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi perceived the farmers' demand to implement the three laws in India.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, guys. My next word is snoop. Snoop. Snoop means to meddle in someone's affair. टांग अड़ाना, right? किसी के सब्जेक्ट में जबरदस्ती बात करना, like this. To advise
Yes,
someone
sir.
unnecessarily where there is no need,
Yes,
or
sir.
to interfere in someone's affair, like this.
Okay. Sir, whenever I talk to my friend, my brother always snooped between my conversation, and this
Okay.
is a bad habit, my brother.
Well, he may be trying to guide you whenever you make mistake.
Yes, sir. It may be, sir.
Maybe. Yeah, Purti. Now you.
Yes, sir. So when I take my decision for myself, every and each person is snoop in my decision that you are doing
Okay.
wrong.
You are doing wrong.
Yes,
Okay. But you know that you are not doing wrong. Means you are on the right way.
yes,
Okay. Guys, my next word is blunder. Blunder. Okay. देखो, एक वर्ड है मिस्टेक. मिस्टेक, स्मॉल मिस्टेक्स. ब्लंडर होती है बहुत बड़ी मिस्टेक, बहुत बड़ी गलती, right? Yeah, now
Yes,
please
sir.
use this word in your sentence.
Yes, sir. Sir, Pakistan didn't invite to India for a secret meeting. So secret meeting. And sir, this is a blunder for Pakistan because Pakistan will have to face many problems after not inviting India in this
Okay,
meeting.
for not inviting India at the
Yes, sir.
meeting.
Yeah.
Yeah, Purti.
Yes, sir. Sir, to commit suicide is a blunder on a small issue. We should never do
Okay.
like this.
Okay. So you can say that in my point of view, committing suicide is a crime. You
Yeah.
can say like this. Blunder means like
Yes, sir.
a blunder means what happens. Some scientists are trying to discover new medicine. Okay, they use it on human, and a large number of people died. Okay, because of their wrong invention. So that is blunder.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
like this. So guys, my next word for you is chaos. Some people mispronounce this word, but it is chaos. Chaos means hangama, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sir, when farmers were protesting against government peacefully,
Government.
but
Mhm.
yeah, but suddenly police started to baton
Started
charge
to
on
beat
farmers.
farmers.
Started to beat farmers. So this protest changed peace into chaos.
Okay, so protest changed into chaos.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Purti, now it's your turn.
Yes, sir. Um, sorry, sir. I don't want to talk.
You don't want to talk. Just remember any sentence. Chaos. Nowadays,
Yes,
where is
sir.
chaos? When four people
Yes,
or
sir.
five people try to speak, they create
Yes,
chaos.
sir. Yes, sir.
Come
Sir,
on, give a try.
I was told. Yes, sir. Sir, I was told my teacher that I didn't come in school. I didn't come in school because in front of my house many people crossing there,
Okay, there was a
and I
chaos
don't. And I.
in front of my house.
Yes, sir. In front of my house.
Okay, but how is that chaos related with your not going to school?
Sir, actually, there is no way that I and if I enter there in their chaos, it may be that they can attack on me. They can attack on me,
Okay, let me tell you a very
and
simple
I
example.
got some injuries.
Okay, let me tell you a very simple example. Okay, what is in the marriage ceremonies?
What, sir?
Chaos.
What, sir?
In marriage
Yes,
ceremonies, there is a chaos in India. Like
Yes,
4 days
sir.
you prepare for that. Simple.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, examples are very simple. You don't have to go to that level where you're thinking too much. Simple.
yes, sir.
English is very simple. Okay,
Yes.
don't worry, you guys will learn. Not immediately,
Yes,
but definitely. All right.
yes,
Yes,
All
sir.
right, guys. So that's all for today. And see you in the next session. That's all from me. Bye. Have a nice day.
yes.
Have a nice
Enjoy.
day, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bye.